In the previous video, we went through our publication and used styles to determine how text appears in our document. We also formatted the images, and the images now control how text flows or wraps around them. We're now ready to export and engage with our document. To do that, click on the Share icon in the top right hand corner and click on Open in another app. Notice that from Pages you can happily export and create a Word document. You can also create a PDF. However, we're going to create an EPUB. Simply fill in some information about your publication, such as the title and the author. Choose a genre and then click back, and in this screen click on Advanced, and at the top turn Book Cover Image on and then continue. Now Pages will create an EPUB which we can now copy to iBooks. iBooks on iPad understands PDF and EPUB format, and we use iBooks to read and engage with both these formats. Our EPUB document will now open, and we can now use our finger to turn from page to page. We can also tap at the bottom of the screen if we want to jump to a specific location in our document. If there's a word we're not sure of, we can highlight it and immediately be given a definition. Important text can be highlighted. And text can be highlighted and we can make notes. We used the Styles feature on text because it gave us the opportunity to be consistent across the document, but there is a huge added benefit to using headings as well. In the top left-hand corner, Library would take us back to the main menu in iBooks. Beside it, there is another icon, and when we click on this, it will take us to the table of contents. This table of contents is automatically generated using the text that we highlighted using the headers style. And using this, we can jump straight to a specific section of the document that we have created. Notice as well that we have contents, bookmarks and notes. And when we click on Notes, we can see all of the notes that we've made throughout this document in one place. We also have the ability in the top right hand corner to search for specific text. And we can then click and go straight to that particular section in the document. The final icon in the top right hand corner allows us to place bookmarks throughout the document. And if we click on our table of contents icon on the left hand side, the second option on the right hand side of our screen will display all of the bookmarks that we have created throughout this publication. We've come a long way in a very short space of time from our basic raw text. Pages on iPad is clearly a very powerful tool, not just for making documents, not just for exporting as PDF, but also for creating EPUB documents with all of the interactive features which we've explored here. Pages on iPad allows you to create EPUB documents which include styles, images, web links, 2D and 3D graphs, and we can structure the document using chapters and sections. We can also use the very first page in the document as the cover artwork. However, there are certain features that are currently not supported. Video that is not in the correct format will simply be converted to a flat image. Headers and footers are not supported, nor are interactive graphs. And styles in tables can be a little bit problematic. There's a web link on your screen for you to follow if you wish to find out more. EPUB as a format is rapidly gaining ground simply because of the level of engagement it offers users. And new features are bound to be added to Pages as it evolves. So how was E.O. Wilson's Life on Earth created with those extra features that we saw in the first video? This was made using another application, not on iPad, but on Mac. When you're ready, why not watch the next video in this series when we'll have a quick overview of advanced digital authoring.